Alright, so what I'm going to do today, I've been working on drilling spot welds out on this old quarter panel, and it's giving me a hard time. But I guess that's what comes with having a used quarter panel. So, I'm going to show you a little bit of what progress I've made on this, and then I've picked up some new tools from Harbor Freight. Yeah, I know, Harbor Freight, they're cheaper, but I mean, I'm not using them that much, so me personally, I think it's going to be fine. We're going to try them out though. Here, I'll show you what we got. I've got a Central Pneumatic high-speed air cutter. I've got an air angled grinder. I've got a grinder backup pad with some different pads on it right here. And I got some wire brush wheels. And I also picked up some butt welding clamps, which I'm figuring out I don't think I'm gonna be able to use, so I might just take those back. All right, so here's our cutoff wheel. I've already put one of the cutoff wheels on it. It does not come with cutoff wheels, you have to buy them. But as you see here, this is what it looks like. It's just a cutoff grinder, okay? We're gonna use this, and we're gonna cut. This is not where I'm butting the piece up. I'm gonna practice cutting. I'm doing a practice run with this tape, so I can see how good I am at cutting on this tape line, and to practice cutting on this tape line. Here's where we are with the used quarter panel. As you can see, I've got some pieces pulled out. I've got a lot of the spot welds drilled out. They came and pulled the glass on the car the other day, so that's done and out of the way. He was also nice enough to pull the glass on this for me too. Down here, I've got a lot of the spot welds pulled out. I've got my cut made right here. This is just a preliminary cut to get this quarter panel off, and then I'll probably make a cut. Right in here. So, as you can see, all these spot welds drilled out. The problem I'm having is under the wheel well here. So we'll deal with that in a minute. But first, I want to work on making a cut on this. I'm using my phone, so I don't have a way to set this up to show you what I'm doing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the cut, and then I'm going to show you how it looks. I mean, it's just a metal cut and nothing special, but I want to practice cutting on this tape line, and now that I'm looking at it, my tape line's crooked. But this is just kind of an access hole too, to kind of see anything else I might need to replace on the inside of it. Anyway, all right, well, let's get to it. I got a little access hole cut. I'm gonna have to get a bigger compressor. This little compressor will not hold up to it. So a lot of this cut, like from about here to here, you can really tell if you looked at it, was the air saw, or the air grinder, but the rest of it was my battery powered sawzall to rip through it. Just to get an access hole in here. Like I said, that's a rough cut. This is not a part. I'm replacing further up this way. So anyway, so I'll show you that. So now I'm gonna take off. I took the trunk off, as you can see. Trunk's sitting right over there. I'm gonna take this bracket off. I'll probably leave that one because it doesn't need to come off. So we're gonna take this off. That's off. We'll go set this over here with all the Mustang parts. I'm using the floor thing to keep everything from being scratched. We're gonna take these, stick them right in here. I'll probably just throw some tape over it. Now, that keeps the bolts with it. I'm gonna try to do that with whatever I can. Okay, so now, let's take a look at this so I can show you what I'm talking about here. Okay. So, as we discussed before, we have the taillight pocket right here. That's bad on this car because it's bent out this way. It may have been salvageable, but I don't know. It's a lot easier just to replace it because we have it on the donor car. Like I was saying before, this thing has been discontinued through Ford. So if you want to buy this piece, you can buy it off like eBay and stuff, but it's going to cost you about anywhere, I've seen it anywhere from I think $1,300 to $1,700 just for this taillight pocket piece right here. So And this is also dinged in up here, pushed in this way. So we are going to replace this and this piece, which spot welds up under right here. And it stops about right here under the quarter panel. And you can see inside. Look. Woo, there's inside. See? All right. So, and that, us replacing the quarter panel on this piece and everything should take care of all the damage of it being pushed over this way, from what I've seen. That's why I'm cutting access panels, so I can get inside and look and see if there's any more that needs to be pulled out. And I'm probably gonna have to order, it depends on if I had to drill holes to get these spot welds out, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to save this quarter panel extension here. You can buy this, it's like 30 bucks from Ford, it's not that expensive. Or I can look at this one that's on here and see if it's fixable. Anyway. This back pan piece, I think I'm going to be able to straighten all this out. I'll hammer and dolly it whenever we get to that point. That's kind of where I'm going for. So I'm going to get started and trying to get access to all this right here. And I'm going to leave all this, I'm going to try to leave all this intact on the other quarter panel over there. I'm not sure if I can, if it's possible, but I'm going to try my best. Alright, well, let's get back to work, start cutting out some more of this, maybe, and just get an idea of what we're looking at under there. Okay, so here we are. That's how far we got. I've got the taillight pocket and part of the quarter panel out, cut out. It's a little bit of a pain. This part right here, had to get to all these spot welds and up under here. Kind of messed this up a little bit, but I can fix it. Anyway, I'm going to see if I can save this piece once I get this quarter panel off. I may be able to bend this back in place and may not have to end up replacing this at all. We'll figure that out here in a minute, or here in a little bit. I'm going to quit for today. Got a lot done. Drilled out all these parts in the taillight pocket. I got to straighten this piece out and probably have to end up ordering this this little piece right here. I'll look into that. I found them on eBay and stuff. Anyway, with that being said, we're gonna stop it off right there. We really appreciate you watching as we get this thing rebuilt. Next is gonna be trying to figure out where we're gonna cut this quarter panel and patch it in. I'm not 100% on that yet. I feel like it should be in the door jamb, but at the same time, I don't want to lose my sticker and stuff on this car. So I think I don't know what we're going to do yet. Anyway, thanks for watching. We really appreciate it. If you like this video, please hit that like button. Please follow us on our Instagram. I'll put right here. And please subscribe to our channel. And just that way you can watch the rest of this build go on as we complete it and get it back on the road and get it back in drivable condition and paint it and all that stuff. So thanks again for watching. We'll see y'all later.